Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 365. Isn't that a great number, dude? It's about a year, right? More than a year, actually, that we've been doing this. But if it would have been continuous without any breaks, we would have been at a larger number than 365. So, yeah, we're like 2 months behind schedule. But isn't that great, though? 365 episodes. Not a lot of people do that continuously. Anyways, if you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. Links in the description, so it's linked to the amazing articles I'll cover here. And if you're a supporter of this channel, you've been coming in here almost daily or whatever, thank you so much for being here for reals. Jack, thanks for being here, man. I just saw your little rocket thing, so thanks, man. Much appreciated. On that note, what happened with crypto today, right? We had a flash crash in the morning. A lot of money went out of the crypto sphere. A lot of people get scared, right? Sorry, guys. Let's jump on and look at crypto. There we go. What's happening with market cap? Bitcoins are Bitcoin today was episode 557. Wow, dude, you've been doing that a lot longer than I have. That's pretty cool, man. That's awesome. So almost 2 years, man. A little bit more than 2 years, probably. I'm not sure. You're not posting daily, right? That's pretty cool, though. So what's happening with crypto? Again, had a wild day yesterday. We tried to rally, tried to get above that at 618. We failed, rejected, and started to move down. Retracing, right? Hit the end of the retrace zone from high to low. Retracing, and now we're starting to pull back down. And we did measure right below that 50. We came all the way to 382, found support there, and took a bounce. Now we're below 20, unfortunately, sitting at $331.33 billion. Right now, yesterday I managed to lose 2.32% today, losing 0.28%. Not a lot, right? Andrew, thanks, man. Much appreciated. Yeah, dude, we got to 252 yesterday night when people subbed. Isn't that cool, though? 252 subs. That's pretty cool. Band, please. Yeah, we'll look at band. Hey, Steve, how's it going, Dan? How's it going, man? Man, bad day today, friends. Yeah, dude, it was a bad day. Sorry, bro, on the Discord, you know, it was just the perfect setup, and I'm trying to be mean or anything. I did. I was just like, someone's gonna bite if I say Joe, and then I think you just bit on that one. So, sorry about that, man. Anyways, what is happening, right? Again, we're starting to pull back down. We didn't have anything bearish. That's fine. And we're sitting neutral on the RSI at 47.48. Now, before I jump onto Bitcoin, I'm going to show you guys something. I did something really cool today. Well, I think it's cool. I liked it. I just can't remember where I placed it. It's here. I created my first non-fungible token on Rarible. That's pretty cool. That's pretty wild. Yep, all of my funds in Ethereum, so I was going to send one to Jake, and I don't have funds to send it, so I'll probably get some funds in, or yeah, find a way to get some funds in and then send it to him. That's very pretty cool. Anyways, we had this hidden bullish. That's the only thing we have going on for market cap. Bitcoin dominance at 59 bucks and 59.15%. Sitting below at 20. So look at that pullback we got, right? Look at that. We've been gapped here a lot on Bitcoin dominance, right? Getting above that 20, trying to like reject it, I guess, right now. Yesterday we gained 1.09%. Today losing 0.03%, even though it's green, we gapped down on the opening. On that note, let's go look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin sitting at 10,595 bucks and 47 cents. Why do we break down on Bitcoin? Well, there were news about BitMEX people being charged by the CFTC, right? So that's something that moved the market, right? Those news got a lot of people scared. A lot of people got weirded out about their money. So that's probably something that I haven't. That was worse to me than your $300 that you ate. I don't get the comment, bro. What was worse to you than the $300 that you ate? How do you eat $300? Anyways, nothing bearish, right? High, lower, high. High, lower, high. Positive is positive. High on the other side to a lower point. Nothing bullish either. Just waiting for something to develop here. Sitting neutral. 46.45 on the RSI. Again, we got barely above this area again, the 10,800, which was looking good, right? Until, like, you know, this BitMEX news came out, which sometimes makes you believe that, like, you know, not conspiracy theory or anything like that, but it's just weird that finally get above this level again. It looks like we're going to do better. And all of a sudden, you know, bad news happened with Bitcoin, bringing the price back down. It's like they're trying to control the price somehow, right? It would seem that way. I mean, I'm just, you know, we did have technicals for a movement down anyways, but, you know, those are on the 4-hour chart. All right, look at the 4-hour, right? High, higher high. Going to a higher area, right? Look at that. Look at this, man. And then we're going from a high to a lower high. And positive was positive, high on the other side to a lower point. Right, strong bearish divergence action downside. We did break down again. Too violent, probably because of the news regarding BitMEX. This was just FOMO or liquidations happening, and, you know, trying to get back up above that 10,647, which now is acting as resistance, right? Oh, dude, sorry, man. Yeah. Moving down. Are we doing something low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on their side, lower on their side? Nothing there. Neutral at 41.33. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. What is happening on the 1-hour chart, right? We had this divergence to here. We didn't create anything to here, right? I'll zoom in here a little bit more. See where we're at here. What is this opening at? 10,911. 10,913. All right, yeah, it's technically going slightly higher, right? So there we go. And in all fairness, we are also going slightly lower, so we're creating that strong bearish divergence here, just very tiny. Again, this could have been undone very easily, right, by this climbing, but I think, like I said, the BitMEX news came out around 10 in the morning, or around this area, this candle, probably prior to the candle, and that dropped the market, right? We saw a massive drop. Anyways, we also have that against the RSI here, right? So, yeah. Action to downside. Down, moving down, right? So low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on the RSI to a lower point on the RSI. Sitting neutral right now at, sold, 39.90. Again, trying to get back on this area. Rejecting once, rejecting twice. But again, not really. Doesn't look like we really want to drop, right? It looks like we really want to get back above, which is okay. I mean, we could get tired of being at this level and try to drop. Still yet to be determined, though. On that note, let's go and check out Ethereum. Again, if we fail to get above that 10,600, we could be looking for a move to that 10,200, right? On a drop. Again, it looks like we just want to break back in here. Looks like we're struggling a little bit. Let's see if tomorrow becomes a little bit more bullish and we try to get above this area again. So we're doing so good before those BitMEX news came out, right? Anyways, what's happening with Ethereum on the daily? Look, Ethereum didn't drop that much. Ethereum dropped like 1.94%, right? On rejection of the 20, on rejection of the 364 area. That's a high, low, positive, high on the other side to a lower point. Neutral at 45.99, so I'm not too worried about Ethereum yet. Although it's going to play to the tune of Bitcoin, don't worry about it. We had the bullish divergence action to the upside. We rallied, right? Look, in all fairness, I think even from here, right, we were creating some strong bearish divergence here on the 4-hour, which is okay. It would have merited the price action to the downside, but I don't believe it should have been that strong, right? This is probably because Bitcoin dropped, and then we're getting pulled back, just like Bitcoin did, right? So we have this, and then we also have this here against the RSI, I think. So 64.11 and 64.18, right? So slightly higher there also. Now, I'm not going to call it here. It's technically going slightly higher, but on the MACD, we have this and action to downside. Now, low, lower, low. Negative, more negative. Low on the other side to lower point. Neutral at 44.50. So let's go to the 1 hour chart here on this. How many people are in? Wow. 7 people in. Thank you all for being here, man. That's so cool. If you like what we do, hit that like, that button, that sub, right? And if you're new to the channel, definitely sub. What's happening here short term? Again, we're going higher, right? Going higher. Positive. Everything was good here. Everything was good, man, until here. Alright, so from here to here, sorry. This is very, very tiny, though. Oh, look at that. Some strong bearish divergence, right? Also, just like Bitcoin action to downside. Again, we found support here, and just about the news when you know, everything was running wild with the BitMEX. Bitcoin crashed and it brought down everyone else with it. So $352. It didn't move down as bad, right? So managed to hold on to that, some of that nice price action that it was getting. That's okay for Bitcoin right now. Sorry for Ethereum. Let's go check out XRP. XRP at 23.75 cents. That's the current price. What's happening here? Right, on XRP we had the bearish divergence. Actually, look, we're even higher, right? So we'll just anchor to here. Anchor that to there. Bearish divergence, action to downside. Rejected at 20. Didn't even get to that 24.62. 24.52 cents. Neutral at 44.08 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Right, we had hidden bullish. That's okay. Now here, are we doing strong bullish? Let's see, 72.57. We are, dude, right? Look at that. Coming in lower, right, on that price. And we're definitely going from here to here, right? So negative momentum, less negative momentum, potential action to the upside, right? Or on strong bullish divergence. That's what we have right now here on 4 hour Ethereum. Neutral at 43.94. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. What is happening on the 1 hour, dude? Dudes, what's happening here? Right, managed to go slightly higher, coming in higher here as well. What about here short term? 33, 34, slightly higher. So all this was going higher. Everything was good. We started to break down with the rest of the market, right? It looks very similar to Ethereum almost, right? Look at that. Like 3 reds, right? Holding to that support and then breaking down. Look at XRP, right? 3 reds, holding to a 20 and then break it down, right? Again, following the rest of the market. Coming lower, more negative momentum. Lower on the RSI as well, right? Something bullish. Pulling back up, just like the rest of the market is. Seeing at 23.76 cents. Again, not a lot happening with XRP. Making sure I'm caught up with the chat, and I'm not losing any information. Create the hidden bearish. Look at that. We got a lot of pullback happening, but also because Bitcoin moved down, right? So, so indecision, hidden bearish, potential movement to the downside, rejecting the 20, neutral at 44.32 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Hidden bullish, we rallied, which was great. Now, here when we anchored, this all one island, right? So any point that I take from here, right, it will be an extension of that island. And on that touch point there, I will be anchoring from here to here. Right, creating strong bearish divergence, action to the downside, move down, hit that 20, trying to find support there, which is okay. So held support once, twice, 3 times already. We just don't have that against the RSI. On the RSI, we're neutral at 51.28. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. What's happening on the 1 hour? Going higher, positive, higher on the RSI. Now short term. Right, short term from here to here. From here to here, right? And then from here to here as well. Strong bearish divergence, action downside, moving down on that. Hitting that, where are we at here? 45.72. Right, rejecting it a little bit, trying to gain back up this level. So again, really not seeing too much for for Litecoin, right? Sitting neutral at 47.21. That's about it. Steve, anyone try the Litecoin game? What is the Litecoin game? Let me know, because I'm not sure what we're talking about. The Litecoin game. What is the Litecoin game? Let's do Binance. Binance at $27.66. Nothing bearish. Pulling back, finding support at 20, managing to hold on and try to pump from it. So that's good. Neutral at 55.84. On the 4 hour, strong bearish divergence, action to the downside. We broke down on that, right? Already had determined we had that. Sitting neutral right now at 49.72. Now, low, higher, low, right? Negative, less negative, so nothing bullish still. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Lightbringer for reals. No, I haven't played that, man. Is it any good? Again, bearish divergence, action to the downside, we move down. Hit that 20, trying to find support, right? Held support to it, on it. But we got exhausted just being supported there, right? Like we held support 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Fell to take off from it, right? Then we faced resistance 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and on that fourth, we broke down. Low, lower, low, right? Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on the other side to a lower point. Taking the bounce. Just like the rest of crypto. And heading for that 20 right now. Let's see if the 20 is going to be any kind of resistance. I don't have a lot going on right now, right? Because we just had a major move down. Well, not major. It looks major on the 1 hour, but we had a move down nonetheless. Now we got to wait for consolidation to happen or some kind of pattern to form. So on that note, let's go to the daily. Managed to lose 6.15%. How much did Litecoin lose? I didn't check Litecoin on the day. It just lost like 0.04%. And then XRP, I think XRP lost a little bit more, but yeah, 1.54, right? So none of the alts lost as much as Bitcoin, I guess. Bitcoin also recovered quite a bit towards the end of the day, which was good, right? Still managed to lose 1.44%. 1.44%, yeah. On that note, someone requested band, so we'll look at a band after band. We'll look at DVT, and after DVT, we'll look at RSR, I guess. I haven't looked at any of those coins today, so. Band. I don't think we looked at that before. I'm looking here on the side. There we go, band. I think we have looked at this before. Awesome. Starting in 2019, about a year old. Bearish divergence, action to downside. As we're coming lower here on band, right? We created some strong bullish divergence. It's just not taking off, right? Look at that. We're going lower every time with less negative momentum. Also higher on that RSI. I think short term on the RSI we might be neutralizing it though. Let's see here. What is this? 33, 35, slightly higher. That's good enough for me. Again, on that note, we're creating that bullish divergence, trying to rally. Right, strong bullish divergence, trying to rally, but failing miserably at the 20. Not looking too good right now. Tightness of the Bollinger Band starting to come back in. That means volatility is leaving the market. We'll keep getting a wild move happening. Steve saying ADA and NIM. Yeah, dude, I'll do those too. I'm feeling a little bit tired today. I'm not sure why. ADA and NIM. I'm not sure how long this show is going to go today. I'll try to get to those requests at least. Sure, I just like feel like out of energy, dude. Like my eyes like hurt. I was looking at the computer today all day, so then I have a job interview tomorrow. Like some company wants to hire me, so I'm just like, you know, I'm gonna talk to them, see what they want to offer. But they put the meeting very early. I do want to get some good rest. First of the month of your day was, yeah, dude, it was a super heavy day at the office, dude. Just freaking weird. We were looking forward for this interview tomorrow, dude. Could be a really interesting project. Right on. So let's go to the 4-hour chart on band. Let's see if we have something here. High, lower, high. Right here we have bearish divergence. Right, that's for sure. That's the only thing I can see right now. This bearish divergence. It's the first thing that popped when I was looking for it. Right? Well, I wasn't looking for it. I was just looking at the chart. Right here we also have that same move. Right, so we'll just call it there as well. Action to downside, moving down. So low, lower, low, negative, less negative. Right, so. Start to create that strong bullish divergence here. Here we're coming slightly lower. Here again, you know, failed to drop to the same low, so negative, less negative, low on side higher. That's all good. Wanted to bounce on a failed drop, right? And still lower than the previous high, so high, lower, high, positive, less positive, high on the other side to a lower point. Broke down a little bit, probably because Bitcoin also moved down. That's fine. Trying to maybe find support here. I'm not sure we have created anything yet. So low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the other side to a higher point. Neutral at 45.88. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Finance related, yeah, it's for a trading company. Physical trading company. Physical commodities trading company. So that's gonna be interesting, dude. It's gonna be basically going back to what I used to do before. I was in my current job, so it's gonna be super cool. It's gonna be a lot of traveling, dude, for sure. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna handle that in the stream. Might have to like if I'm traveling, I might have to do static shows, upload from the hotel. And when I'm home, I'll just be able to do the regular streams. I'm gonna figure that out when the time comes. But yeah, it's gonna be an interesting job, dude. 5141, 49, and 48. So coming in lowers there, right? So we're into a higher high on the price, and coming slightly lower here, right? Again, with that bearish divergence, strong action to downside, move down strongly. Don't have anything here, not even short term. We had the strong bearish divergence here against the MACD. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on the other side, lower on the other side. This is 10 a.m., right? Yeah, and look, just like the rest of crypto, right? 3 red candles and 2 massive ones. Always Discord to chat. Yeah, dude, there's always a Discord, dude. I'll look, man, if I'm traveling, I'm going to take a PC with me. I have a travel mic, you know, I might just take my camera with me, you know, or buy a travel camera. I'm not sure, dude. I'll figure it out. Hotel internet's not the best for streaming, so, you know. I'll try to see how I will be able to do something, but yeah. Time for the streams will definitely be disrupted during traveling. If not, like I said, I'll just do the show, save it on trading on, like, you know, the PC, and then upload it. You know, that's probably how I'm gonna do it. Sitting neutral at 44.86 on the RSI. That's it for band. Let's go check out DVT. Sorry, I forgot to look for any. Yeah, nothing bullish. Let's go to DVT now. DVT is super cheap at 4.2 sats, dude. It dropped a lot. Actually, 4.4 now. I hadn't reloaded. Super good entry for DVT. Anything below 5 is a good entry for DVT. Let's see what's going on here. Let's get the indicators out here. The RSI. The MACD. No, we're not gonna have anything. Sorry, dude. Need to like get good visuals here. So So I can see if there's anything going on. Low, lower, negative, negative, more negative, right? So that's fine. Low, lower, again, nothing bearish. Nothing bullish, sorry, just bearishness, right? Look at that. Some hidden, even from back here, hit against the MACD. But look at that, right? High to low, low to high, right? Native, positive to more positive. Creating that hidden bearish, potential continuation. Maybe we get another drop here happening on XR, on DVT. It's gonna be interesting, right? Let's go to the 4-hour chart. And a 4-hour chart, we're also coming lower, right? So lower, lower, lower. Even from here, we're still lower, so nothing there. Now, short term though, right here. Look at that, boom. Look at this, right? Boom. Strong bullish divergence, potential action to the upside. Let's see if we're gonna get it. I'm not sure whether or not we're gonna get this on DVT. Yeah, sorry if my energy level's not up there, dude. Today, today I'm just feeling a little bit tired, dude. It's been a hectic day. Let's see here. Again, you know, we have the same strong bullish divergence developing here, right? Like that. Coming in lower, then going from negative to less negative, right? And then low point on the other side to a higher point. So strong bullish on the daily. Just waiting for it to take off, really, right? So again, we could be looking for a movement to the upside. On that note, I'm gonna go look at something else, dude. Let's do RSR. Try to find it though. RSR at 0.9 cents, right? Again, really struggling to do something here. Finally getting Bollinger Bands for sure, so that's good. Still not a lot going on here. We had the bullish divergence. Now, if we go here, which is the same low that we have here again, you know, we still have that strong bullish on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour again. You know, low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to higher point. Sold at 39.88. Not a lot happening here on the bearishness, right? We just moved down below at 20 again. Like I said, it's just been rejecting the 20, right? It's not looking too good. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. No, we're looking for bearish divergence here, which was okay. We managed to pump back up, right? And with that, we undid that. We're to where we had it here. We did move down a little bit, right? And then took a bounce, which is okay. Now, coming in lower every time, less that positive momentum, lower on the other side. That's great. Now low. Let's see this. Low, right? Higher low. Yeah, that's good, man. We can work with this. Low to higher low, right on the 1-hour chart, and we're definitely coming to a little bit more of that. Negative lower point on the other side, right? So that we're taking a bounce, high, low, nothing else happening here. So we took the bounce, hit that 20, and we're rejecting. So we might be looking for lower areas of value. We could do a fail to drop thing, and then try to go above that 20 again. Still yet to be determined. How much did it lose yesterday? Yesterday it actually gained 4%. Today it's losing 4.34%. We get a request for Cardano and then NIM. On Cardano, look at that. Getting a pullback, heading back, or trying to head back to this area. Right, that, what is it, the 50%? Yeah. I'm still floating between that 382 and that 50%, which is okay. Bearish divergence still in play. Potential action to the downside. Gotta wait for it to confirm. It's hidden bearish. It is stalling us like we said it could. Sitting neutral at 51.04 on the RSI. So here on the 4-hour chart, what's happening there, man? Again, going higher, right? High to low, positive, less positive, high to lower side to lower point. Nothing bullish there. It's even here if we zoom in, right? Low to high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to higher point. Yeah, slightly lower, I would say. 47.45, 47.07, definitely, right? So, Coming slightly lower here on this 4-hour chart for Cardano. Then going slightly higher, right? So some hidden bullish potential action to the upside or stalling happening here. We are starting to pull back up, so let's wait and see. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Right, everything to here is good, right? Like higher, higher, higher. It's all good there. We broke down probably because the rest of crypto broke down. This 10 in the morning, just like the rest of crypto moved. Right, same red bars the rest of crypto was having. So low, lower, low, negative, more negative. On the other side to a lower point. Right now we're recovering a little bit. Maybe you're gonna go for that 20. I mean, we don't have anything else to draw here right now. It's impulse down, upsloping consolidation. You know, that tends to break down again. So you know, probably a lot of crypto has that, dude. I didn't check on Bitcoin the other, but again, upsloping consolidation breaks it down. Look at Bitcoin real quick, right? Not quite upsloping consolidation, right? It looks more like a curve, right, than any kind of pattern. But that other asset that we were looking at definitely had it. This one also not quite upsloping, or slightly upsloping, right? Here also not quite upsloping. Let's go to Litecoin. Litecoin looking a little bit more like a pennant, right? We could certainly try to draw a triangle here. And Binance also upsloping, right? So this one looks a little bit more upsloping than the rest of crypto. So there's the potential for a moving down happening still on the overall things. On that note, NIM. Again, NIM, right? We're looking for some divergence here. Bullish action down, so we hit that 20. Moving farther down right now. Are we lower than the previous low? Yep, even then the previous low we're lower. So yep, definitely go from here to here, right? Coming in lower on that price. And look at that, negative to positive, and low to higher low, right? Still sold, but you know, we have that bullish divergence at 63.91 on that RSI. Let's check out the 4-hour. $51.01, 51.02. So slightly lower, lower, and lower, right? Nothing there. Now here, here we are starting to have some strong bullish divergence developing again. It's quite a new young island that I'm going to be anchoring to, so there's a chance we could keep on building it, right? Don't have that against the RSI. We're coming lower, sold at 35.67. We do have the strong bullish divergence. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. What is happening on 1 hour for NIM? Right. I was positive that we had looked at NIM more recently. Dude, I'm looking at NIM against Bitcoin. What the fuck? That's why the chart's in where I was like, dude, where are we at, dude? Let's go to the other chart. Again, just that tiredness starting to set in, dude. I was like, dude, I was positive I would draw more stuff here. But again, you know, same movement, strong bullish, right? Waiting for it to play off. Trying to move to the upside. Tight. I saw the Bollinger Bands coming back in. So not a lot happening on the daily since yesterday. Then here on the short time scales, right? Low, lower, low, negative. So that less negative. We do have this island, but on the RSI, wouldn't be. Let's see. Yep. I can call this against the RSI, and that's fine. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Dude, I don't know where my hand's at right now. But that's about it, right? Strong bullish potential action to the upside, hitting up, hitting that 20, rejecting. Let's wait and see how that keeps on playing out. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Coming in lower still, right? So I'm in here. I'm gonna ignore this island. This is one bar. I'll just go there. And from here to here. So wrong tool. There we are. So we're looking at that. Sorry. Let's see. Where is this? The 1 hour chart. I forgot the anchor here. We're looking at strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. We're getting that rally, right? And then getting that pump already. Let's see if we're doing anything else, though, right? By the way, this project, NIM, sitting at 0.2 cents. I'm going higher, right? Slightly higher than the first high, higher, positive, more positive, high on the RSI to a higher point. Everything's good there. Neutral at 51.75 on that RSI. Yeah, thanks, bro. I'm just gonna go do gold and silver and markets real quick, and that's gonna be it, man. Oil, and that's gonna be it, right? What's happening with gold? Again, try to rally a little bit yesterday, today, pulling back down. 1,896. We're not creating anything yet. We have the strong bullish that still at play. Neutral at 45.54 on the RSI. Let's go look at silver. $23.69. Again, in that bullish divergence, action to the upside. Starting to look like it's stalling a little bit. Nothing bearish happening yet. So on that note, let's go look at the Dow, gaining 35 points. Again, it did manage to gap up on the opening and pull back down. That is okay. Hit that 20. It looks like we rejected lower prices. 27,816 points. The Dow Live, 27,752 points, getting above that 20 also, similar move. But today we're pulling back down still, right? So let's see how tomorrow, how the market will open tomorrow. I'm not finding anything yet here. S&P, 3,380, lost, actually gained, 17 points. So he gapped up on the opening, pulled back down, right? Poached back up towards the end of the day. That's why we closed up here. And sitting at, above that 20, which is okay. Had the strong bullish divergence there. London, nothing developed yet. High, lower high, positive, less positive, high, other side to lower point. Last thing we have here is this hidden bearish that moved us down. Strong bearish that moved us down. On that note, I'm going to go check out the Nikkei. Losing 0.19 points, again, not doing much. Losing that 20 yesterday, which is okay. Or today. And that, below there. So that's, Toronto, up 63 points. Strong bullish divergence. Action to the upside. We have failed to get above that 20. We could be looking for a potential drop if we don't get above that 20 soon. That 20 moving average is going to be key. And it's playing to be a key resistance. Now West Texas lost 0.35 cents, right? We lost the 20 yesterday. Talked about losing it still. Sorry, we're opening. I can't remember what we were doing yesterday, but we talked about we really want to take off from the 20. We haven't. We just pulled back down, so that's fine. Had the hidden bearish there, and then Brent oil, right? Same thing. We had that hidden bearish. We're breaking down on that, rejecting the 20. That's it for tonight, guys. I'm feeling super tired now, and I'm starting to get a little bit of a headache, and I just gotta go to sleep. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for joining me tonight. Again, this is State of Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Thursday night. Again, I'll catch you tomorrow. Sorry about not being here 100%. I just started to feel down towards the end of the day. I just want to jump in and talk about crypto, talk about the markets real quick, talk about the moves, why we got some moves on Bitcoin and the rest of the market. Partly while we're recovering for those moves, right? Because they were from scared, people getting scared of what was happening with crypto, but they noticed that, it was just one exchange. There's plenty of other things going on. There's plenty of other exchanges out there. So I'm not too worried about BitMEX. Yeah, thank you for being here, guys. I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of The State of Crypto. Until then.